Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey. We'll show you the resilience and strength of a Jamaican family, from a termite-infested nightmare to a beautiful dream home. Come join us and explore the inspiring story of Claudette Salmon and the new social program, the housing program in Jamaica. So, meet Claudette Salmon, a proud Jamaican mother who faced enough struggles. Her home, once a sweet place, turned into a war zone by the termites them were infested. So, Claudette Salmon say the termites them eat through the wood. Every time she fix them come back. She spend all the money she can on them, and them just keep returning. And she say she feel like she was losing the battle. She said she was frustrated and she don't know what to do. She feel like she was trapped in a situation. But then Claudette's life start to change when she gets selected in the new social housing program. This initiative, led by the Government of Jamaica, aims to provide safe, affordable housing for the people them who need it. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says they were committed to giving their citizens a better life. The new social housing program approved how much the government dedicated to making a difference. Claudette's application did get reviewed carefully by the team. They invite her for an interview where she did have to show them say she deserved this opportunity. According to Claudette Salmon, she was very nervous during the interview and she didn't know what to expect, but she was determined to show them say she responsible and she deserved to get this chance. And them ask her about her financial situation, her job and her family, and she answered them honestly and showed them that she was committed to make this new home a reality. On January 24th, Claudette walked into her new home and her life get a whole new vibe. This stunning two-bedroom house, built at a cost of $9.5 million, is a far cry from the previous nightmare. And she said she just wants to thank God for this house, a blessing from above. And she was so grateful to Prime Minister and the government for giving her this opportunity. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he wants to encourage her to take pride in the new home, consult with the ministry before she make any changes, and let work together to build a better Jamaica. The new social housing program make a big difference in Claudette's life and for her whole family. This initiative is more than just housing. It is a chance for family to build a brighter future. And Claudette Salmon says she wants to say thank you to the Prime Minister and the government. She and her children them are so happy in the new home, and she's proud to be part of this community. Claudette's story is showing that power of hope and determination. The new social housing program make difference in the lives of Jamaican families, one home at a time. The new social program is a shining example of what can happen when government and community work together to achieve common goal. We hope Claudette's story inspire you to make a difference in your own community. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspired stories, and visit the new social housing program website to learn more about them efforts. Thank you for watching, and I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.